Hello, video guy here. So I've been able to move from charging as low as $5 per order to over $300 per order. How did I do it? Did I increase my prices? What if I increase my prices? Would my customers run away? I mean, you've got all those questions in your head, how you can, increase your earnings on Fiverr. And this is what I'm going to be doing in this video. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this right. So come with me. Okay, so what's up guys, and welcome to this very video where we're talking about how to earn more on Fiverr. I mean, everybody wants to earn more than what they're currently earning on Fiverr, isn't it? And I know you will love that. Okay, so I will show you how I move from charging $5 for my service to over $300 per order, per particular order, even more than that safe. Okay, so but before we get started, I would like you to do one of these three things or all of them for me. If this is your first time of watching my video and you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that a lot. It means a lot to me if you subscribe. Then leave a like this video. Once you like this video, YouTube will know, this guy is doing well. Let me recommend this video to so many other places. And if you do this, my channel will grow more. Okay, then leave a comment. The more engaging we get in the comment section, if you have any question, ask it in the comments. The more YouTube, see my channel and help me grow. Okay, any of these three things I will appreciate if you do them. Okay, so let's get right into the video. So before you start increasing your earnings, okay, you need to bear in mind that these three steps, okay, they are what will take you from charging $5 to over $1,000, $2,000. These are the three things that will ensure that you earn more. Okay, so first of all, you need to do niche research. Or I don't know what niche you are already. Okay, this number one thing is what you need to do before you move from that $5 that you are charging to over 500, 1,500 and all of those things. Okay, you need to do niche research. Okay, and to further drive down my point, I told you I don't teach what I haven't done on this channel. All I share here is my experiences, personal experiences, third-hand knowledge, and everything I know about Fiverr. So I'm going to dive into my dashboard and show you what I mean by niche research and the difference it makes. So let me show you this. Okay, so this is, I'll blow out the seller's part, okay, the buyer's part, so that this particular part, okay, so that's for their own privacy, but I'm going to leave all of those details so that you see. So if you look here, this was 2017, right? And you see I was offering right article gig. Okay, once you keep on scrolling down, you see $5, $20, right? Okay, then when I got to this point, what you see that I have manage your social media platforms, isn't it? And this is $100. Fine. Then you keep on going, you see rewrite. Okay, rewriting, I have $20, 35, 30, the same thing, 15, 100, 5, and keep on going. Seat 120. And what is 120? I offered write a sweet lyrics of your choice. Do you guys see it? You see a price increase, right? So let's keep on going. $5, 50, 10, the same thing. Okay, watch here. When I got to $200, the amount I charge for this particular gig, you see that I have manage your social media platforms, isn't it? A different gig apart from writing. So let me keep on going. Okay, be watching, looking at the prices as I go. Okay, watch here. You saw that I have 150 here, isn't it? Okay, what do you see here? WordPress, right? 500. What do you see here? Okay, be your content writer, and I have an upsell here. Okay, then move over to another one. Be your content writer. Yeah, keep on going. 130. Design WordPress, right? Design WordPress, and it keeps on progressing. Do you guys see it? 250, 200, 250, 500. Okay, so it keep on progressing in that manner. Okay, so when I talk about niche research, this is what I mean by niche research and how it will determine how you move from one point of your earning, like if you're earning $5 to over $300, which I just showed you. Okay, so this is what I mean by niche research. These are niches or categories. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there are over 9 categories, and each of these categories have niches in it. Okay, we have the logo niche, we have the branding style niche. Okay, so but I want to show you something. I want to show you something specifically in this particular category, graphics and design. Okay, you have to do your research. So let's open up logo design, right? This is a particular gig on this niche. Okay, then let's go over and open under here we have web design. Let's open it up. I want to show you something. Okay, so under logo design, I want you to watch. Look at the price ranges. Okay, you have $80, $300, $25, $50, okay, $90, $180, $15, $150, okay, $50, $10, $40, $20, $20, $30, okay, and so on and so on forth. Okay, let me say the average selling price here is more like $50 or $150, isn't it? Okay, then let me open up a category under here. Let me go to cartoon and comics. Okay, I want to show you guys something. Just watch closely. Okay, so under cartoon, and this is another niche. This is another gig under this particular niche. Okay, watch. Look at the average selling price: 15, 5, 30, 50, 145, 100, 35, 10, 155, 30, 200, 25, 20, 10, 20. Isn't it? Okay, so we have, if you check between this particular niche, web design, okay, which is virtually 120, 600, 150, you know, and in that range, okay, and between these three gigs, niches, logo, web, and cartoon, you see the least one with the least earning potential is cartoon. Do you guys see? People here charge $5, $10, $15, and so on. Okay, 35, 25. Okay, but people in logo charge more, isn't it? Then in website design charge more. Then people in logo charge more. All right. So if you still go under another category, let's go under another category, talking about maybe writing. Okay, writing and translation. Let's go maybe article and blog post. Let's open it up and see. So when you open up to article and blog post, okay, I want you to see something. Look at the price ranges: 30, 50, 35, 150, 100, 15, 120, 25, 30, 20, 150, 10, 90, 55, 10, okay, and so on and so forth within that range. Okay, so you see the prices. So what I want to quickly mention here is niche research. For you to be able to move from one niche charging $5 to over $300, $500, you need to do your niche research. Okay, you need to peruse through so many niches on Fiverr and find the ones with the most earning potentials. All of these ones. Okay, you need to go all through this and find gigs under these particular niches or categories and find the ones that has the most earning potential and queue into it. All right, so that is number one. All right, that's number one. Then number two is market research. Okay, for you to be able to move from one point to another and charge more, you have to do market research. Okay, this market research is similar to niche research, but in market research, okay, market research involves the buying power, the number of let me highlight this. Okay, market research, it involves the buying power. Okay, the number of buyers there. Okay, then the number of orders or chances of you making sales. Okay, so these are the three things. Let me separate it so you see. Okay, so these are the three things you need to consider under market research. Okay, so it's similar to niche research, the same thing we did, but now we are doing more in depth. Okay, so the buying power, okay, then the buyers, the number of buyers, okay, which is invariably shows that the number of or chances of you making sales. So let me show you what I mean. In market research, if you go under this logo, instead of just looking at the prices, you open up one of the gigs. Okay, open up one of the gigs. Okay, so In opening one of the gigs, you look at the orders, you look at the reviews on this particular gig, okay? Because you can either do huge numbers in quantity or in quality, any of them, okay? If this person that has 300 orders, okay, 300 per basic, okay, and this person has just one order in queue, okay, and you can have someone with $50 that has 15 orders in queue. Man, the person that has 15 orders in queue will outshine the person that has $300 and just have one orders in queue. Okay, so do you guys get me? But I will choose to be the guy that has $300 and maybe few orders in queue than the other. Because the time you take to take up, earn up to this amount will take you more like times 2 of it. Okay, so I get you get the point I'm trying to make. So in doing market research, you look at if you come to any of these niche like the ones we just opened, like web design, okay, you look at the reviews on top, like the reviews and also the number of orders in queue. Like this person, if you open it up, you don't just look at the reviews that this person has, you also look at the orders in queue. You see 12. Okay, so this makes the difference. If you even go to other niches, like let me say lifestyle, okay, lifestyle, let me just say astrology and physics. Let me open up this, okay. You see that the number of reviews here, the amount they charge is quite low, and the number of reviews are not. Wow, this is eye-opening. They really have good reviews, and amount of reviews, but I doubt. Wow, this is a guys. Are you seeing this? At first, I thought this gig wouldn't have much of reviews, but as you guys can see, this gig is. So let me just open up one. Let's see. So this is a discovery. 4 orders in queue. Man, this is amazing. Okay, so you all get what the point I'm trying to make. You are not just looking at when you are doing market research, you look at the buying power, the number of buyers and the reviews, and also the number of orders in queue. So that will determine how much and how how much more you can earn. So then the third step you need to take to move it from step 1 to step 3, okay, to earning more on Fiverr is upsell and offers. Okay, so let's say you have, okay, let's say you do writing, right? You do ebook writing, okay, and normally ebook writing costs, let's say for 500 words costs $50. Let's assume that, okay. And for you to aim more, you know that when you charge more than this, there are people charging even less. Okay, so let's say your basic is this, okay, for those that do your ebook writing. But you have to upsell, okay? So that person you are writing ebook for also has need for ebook covers, okay? Ebook covers, okay? They will need ebook covers. So this is where you upsell. You offer that person an upsell, telling him, okay, I can design ebook covers for you for an extra $20, okay? So at the end of the day, you get to take home $70, isn't it? Okay, so that's an upsell right there. This is how you can aim more on Fiverr. Okay, upsell and offer. Okay, I made this person, after writing an ebook, I made this person this offer of $20 and he accepted, and we hit it up to $70. Okay, so these are the 3 steps. Make sure you have 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is what will ensure that you make more money on Fiverr. Then, having mentioned all of this, I just want to, quickly give you guys tips, honorable mention, okay? These are the gigs that have high earning potential, okay? I'm just going to mention it, web and mobile design. You all know WordPress, coding and all of those stuffs also under web and mobile design. So, this is an expo, so check this out. Then, video animation is also a hot gig that has a high earning potential. Don't sleep on these gigs, okay, on that video. Then social media management, as you guys saw from the beginning of the video, I was charging 120, 200 and above for just social media management, okay. So these, these 3 things are just, an expo, the ones I can vouch for. Other ones you can do market research and find out yourself. All right, so having said that, what do you need to do now? You need to take action. You need to start. Don't wait till manna falls from heaven and you say, okay, Tony, I followed your this thing and it didn't work. Please take action now. Like start now. Create gigs. Do your market research. Do market survey and get started right now. Okay, the time is now. All right. So I think I've done justice to this particular topic. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. Okay, I appreciate that a lot. Then do these 3 things if you haven't done that yet, and I appreciate that a lot. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace for now. Good luck.